this year we're going to draw a unicorn on a skateboard.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I love this one. And I hope our friends are really excited to follow along with us. What did we use?
Our markers and marker paper.
Yeah, but you could use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our unicorn's eye. I'm drawing an oval right in the middle of our paper, and then we can color it in. Next, let's draw the helmet. We're going to draw a line coming over the top of the eye, and we'll come over to about there. And then on this side, we're going to draw it coming down and then out a little further. Yeah, and then let's draw the helmet coming up just a little. And then we're going to draw a raindrop shape for the ear sticking out of the helmet. So I'm going to draw kind of a diagonal raindrop. Yeah, and then over here we're going to draw the horn sticking out of the helmet. So let's draw it coming out and then coming back down. It looks like a sideways, upside down letter V. And then we're going to connect the top down to the bottom. It looks like a carrot.
Yeah, it looks like horns or something.
Yeah, two horns. Okay, now we're going to draw the top of the helmet. And this part's a little tricky, but we're going to imagine it going behind the ear. And then we're going to draw it curving over the top and connecting to the horn. And then we're going to draw it or imagine it going behind the horn and then connecting over here. Yes. Okay, and now let's draw our unicorn's hair sticking out of the helmet. We're going to draw a curve. And then we're going to draw it curving back into the helmet. Okay, now let's draw our unicorn's face. We're going to draw a short line down. And then we're going to draw the nose curving around. Looks like a backwards C. And then we're going to draw it curving into the helmet. We're going to go all the way back and then into the helmet. Now let's draw the little strap connecting to the chin. We're going to draw two curves coming down from the helmet and going underneath the little unicorn's chin or cheek. Yeah, that looks really cute. And oh, let's add little nostrils. Now it's perfect.
Yes.
And we did it. We finished our little unicorns with its helmet. Now let's draw the body. And we're going to draw it coming down. So first we'll start here, and we're going to draw the belly of our unicorn curving under. Kind of a backwards J. Yeah. And then let's draw the hands sticking out to the, or the arms sticking out to the side, curving around like a sideways letter U. Most of our drawings have letters in them.
Yeah.
And they're usually sideways or upside down. And then we're going to draw the other hand and arm sticking out to the side this way. And I'm going to come in. So it's, look how close it is to the snout right here. Now we're going to draw the leg. I know we're kind of jumping around, but we're going to draw the leg that's standing on the skateboard. We're going to draw it coming up and curving for the knee. Yeah. And then right here, we'll leave a little space, and we're going to draw the other side of the leg. Then we're going to draw the shoe or the hoof over for our unicorn. We'll draw it curving, and then we're going to draw it coming across and then into the leg. And then we're going to connect, right here we're going to draw the back of our unicorn curving up and then connecting to the armpit. Okay, now that's awesome. It looks really good. Now we're going to draw the other leg and the knee. We're going to draw it curving out right here. And I'm going to try to, so I'm imagining a diagonal line right here to line up with this other leg over here. You're doing great, Hadley. I love your little unicorn. And I especially love that it doesn't look exactly the same. And I'm sure our friends look a little different, but they're both turning out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. It's okay if your drawings look different. Okay, let's keep going.
Yes.
Now on this leg, we're gonna measure this space with our eyes and we're gonna move it over to this side so that our legs look the same. And then we'll draw it connecting up to the body. Yes. And then we're gonna draw the foot or the shoe, and then we'll come across the bottom, and we're trying to line it up here and then curve it in. Seriously, I love your unicorn. It's my favorite.
Thank
I
you.
especially love the size of the head. Okay,
And
now
his little belly.
yeah, and his little belly.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the skateboard. First, we're gonna connect the feet or the shoes together with a diagonal line. And we don't want to go past too far. I might have gone a little too far over here. Yes, okay, now we're gonna draw the wheels. And this is gonna be a little tricky. We're jumping around, but it'll make sense once it all comes together. So first we're gonna add a circle here, and we're gonna draw that same size circle here. This is for the first, or wheels. And this one was a little small, but that's okay. Then we're gonna draw a little circle inside. Then we're gonna draw the axle that goes to the other wheel. So we're gonna draw this little letter U that's diagonal from coming out of the first wheel. Then we're gonna try to draw this same size circle, but we're drawing it behind, oh, mine's a little bumpy. That's okay. We're gonna draw that same circle over here. Then we're gonna draw the trucks, or the part that connects to the skateboard. We're just draw a little rectangle shape coming out of the axle. I think that's called the axle, in between the wheels. Yeah, okay, now we're gonna connect the board. So we're gonna draw it curving up. Then we're gonna draw it curving back around and connecting to this bottom wheel. See this line right here? And I made it a little bumpy. We're gonna measure, or not measure, but we're gonna draw that same diagonal line going in between the wheels. And then we're gonna draw a letter U that comes up, and it's upside down again. Yeah, we got really big boards, but I think the next time we draw it, we'll draw a little shorter, but it looks awesome. It's a beginner board, maybe. Yeah. What's our unicorn missing?
Hair.
Hair, yeah, and a tail. Let's start up here, and we'll draw a curve coming out of the helmet. Then we'll draw it curving back in. Then let's draw another curve back out and back in. And then one more. And then we'll connect to the arm. Now let's draw the tail on this side. We'll draw an S curve. So we'll go up, down, and then back up. Then we'll come back to where we started, or just below it. And we're gonna draw a big curve that comes down, touches the skateboard, and then connects to the end of the S curve. Let's add one more detail on the arms and legs. We're gonna draw the hooves. We're gonna draw a curve here and a curve here. And then we can draw a curve here for the shoes or the bottom hooves. Yes, we did it. We finished drawing our unicorn, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, and we could also add extra details. I'm gonna add a t-shirt and some shorts, I think. But we'll fast forward this part, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our skateboarding unicorns. It looks so much better all colored in, and I especially like that you changed the colors and added a heart. I added a skull to make mine cooler.
Yes, and I also like the shadow. It makes our unicorn look like it's jumping.
Yeah, doing a kickflip. You can pause the video right now to match your same coloring or change the colors and even add more things like a background.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.